just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle.
My gloves are steaming. I don't think that's a good thing.
Ooh, Kara. Does that taste good too?
You smell all minty.
Hey, baby.
Your pretty blue blankie.
Aw, that's all dirty. She's such a good girl.
No, not record.
There's her. Look at you.
Dum dum. Family.
And Anna. And, oh, that's Hay. It's Chuck. Who's mad? He's very, very mad. How do you zoom on this thing? It's not zooming.
Unlike you, I can actually work it.
I don't have one of these. I have a normal.
Hi, Ariel.
She's like, food? Food? Where's my food?
Hiding in the corner.
Give her a kiss.
It's wide, this. Do not cut it short. Good. Drive the outside. Easy. Hold her. Perfect, Liz. Change your lead. Get her back. Get her back. Change it soon. Drive the outside. Get straight. Okay. Easy. Good. One more course. All right. That was good.
Kayla's boots click together and she's like,
Is she tweaking out?
she's tweaking out. Yeah, I can't even keep her
Uh-huh. Walking away. Your heels are so far down. Your heels were so far down just like 20 seconds ago. That's unnatural.
Well, that's because my feet are like not even in this.
Oh yeah.
Hey, girl.
Yours are pretty. There. Oh, what a sweetie, huh?
Hi, Ariel.
Oh, the peppermint. Yummy.
Eat it.
Good boy, Kia.
I think he likes it.
Yep, I think so.
Fall off.
We'll try.
All right, so start collecting now. Start collecting. Long
Hey, we might be in the way.
Yeah.
Easy. Easy. Close your
Oh.
I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried, and I don't know why. Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart